How's this? This is the perfect man shed, isn't it, Mr. Cheeky? Hey? You get some food and some cuddles. Hey? So only the door's open, so he's flown into a confined space. I'm introducing the chin rub for him, see if he grows to like it. Hey, Mr. Cheeks? Hey? Oh. But it's conditional love, isn't it? You only turn up when you're hungry, don't you? Hey? Oh, stop that, he says. Don't want this affection. Hey? 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 Just give me what I want. Hey? Mr. Cheeky. You're a messy eater. You really are. Can I have my finger back? Can I have my finger back? This is called King Parrot Yoga. Hey, it's the adductor stretch, isn't it, Mr. Cheeks? Hey? It's called the parrot splits. It's called the parrot splits. You put your foot there. There. Oh, you're naughty. You're a naughty, cheeky parrot. You're a naughty, naughty, cheeky parrot. Eh? You are? Eh? You're gorgeous. Eh? The perfect man shed, isn't it? Eh? All we need now is beer. Well, you probably wouldn't be interested in beer. Oh, look at that. He's fluffing his cheek up. Eh? Oh, get the camera back on the bird. Too busy watching the bird. Eh? Eh? Your only vice. Ha ha ha, pardon the pun. There you go. You're going to stick your head in the vice. Don't know if that's a smart move. Eh? You're a messy, messy bird. What's this? What's that? Eh? Give you a little chin rub? You're not sure if you like it. Well, you don't seem to be resisting too much. Eh? Bribery. Bribery works just fine, doesn't it? Eh? Mr. Fusspot? Mr. Cheeky? Eh? You like your cuddles? You like your cuddles? Now, why would a wild bird fly into a garage? Because there's only one door. I could have you. I could. I could close that door, and there'd be no escape. And you'd fly to the window and not get through it, and I'd be able to have you. Mind you, I could probably just grab you now anyway, couldn't I? Hey? Hey? You like cuddles? You like the cuddles? Hey? Hmm? Ooh, yeah. A little bit of a jump there. But you've tamed up quite quickly, really, haven't you? Because you watched me for months when I was up the hill, didn't you? You just watched and you never came down. And all of a sudden, I can probably grab you and put you in a cage and have you as mine. Not that I'd do that to you. Hey, you sweet little darling. So there you go. You say goodbye? You're not being very chatty today.